जंगे मैंने रुकवाई, आलमी अमन के लिए अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा का किरदार सिफर है। अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का जनरल असम्बली में धुआंधार ताब, ईरान को दहशतगर्दी फैलाने का असल जिम्मेदार ठहरा दिया। कहा ईरान को कभी जौहरी हथियार हासिल करने नहीं देंगे।
फलस्तीन को रियासत तस्लीम करने वालों पर भी शदीद तनकीद कर डाली। बोले फलस्तीन को तस्लीम करना हमास के लिए ज़बरदस्त इनाम है। असल मसला गजा जंगबंदी है, हमें अमन के लिए बात करना होगी।
Whether the UN can manage to play a productive role, I've come here today to offer the hand of American leadership and friendship to any nation in this assembly that is willing to join us in forging a safer, more prosperous world with the nation of Iran. My position is very simple. The world's #1 sponsor of terror can never be allowed to possess the most dangerous weapon. Now, as if to encourage continued conflict, some of this body is seeking to unilaterally recognize a Palestinian state. The rewards would be too great for Hamas terrorists for their atrocities. This would be a reward for these horrible atrocities. We will come together, going to get it done. We have to stop the war in Gaza immediately. We have to stop it. We have to get it done. We have to negotiate. Just 7 months, I have ended 7 unendable wars. They said they were unendable. It's too bad that I had to do these things instead of the United Nations doing them. And sadly, in all cases, the United Nations did not even try to help in any of them.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।